Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by knowing where chlorophyll lives. Leafy greens and algae concentrated in their cells. Eat 1 cup raw spinach or 2 cups cooked kale daily for a reliable chlorophyll boost. Add 2 tablespoons spirulina powder to smoothies for a concentrated chlorophyll and nutrient hit. Include 1 cup parsley or 3 stalks celery in your meals to increase daily chlorophyll intake. Combine these sources across the day so you reach a natural intake without relying on supplements alone. How you prepare greens matters for chlorophyll retention. Blanch greens for 30 seconds, then shock in ice to preserve chlorophyll color and quality, which helps maintain flavor and nutrients. Use cold-pressed juicing or smoothies to retain more chlorophyll than high-heat cooking, since heat degrades some molecules. Store greens wrapped in paper towel inside a ventilated container at 14 degrees C for up to 1 week to slow decay. Rotate fresh herbs like parsley within 3-4 days for best potency. For daily intake, begin modestly. Start with 1 serving daily, then increase slowly to 2-3 servings if you tolerate greens well, watching for digestive changes. Limit spirulina to 2-5 grams per day unless using tested, contaminant-free products, and avoid wild algae with unknown toxins. Chlorophyll-rich foods are safe for most people, but consult a clinician before chlorophyll supplements if pregnant, nursing, or taking blood thinners because interactions or contaminants can pose risks. Track portions and balance with varied vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.